back to another vlog. I'm here at the front, mom is in the back. Say hi, mom.
Hi, fam.
So
Hi, families.
yeah,
Hi, family.
daddy's over there to the side, and we are on the road today. We are going to just run a few errands, and we're taking you guys along with us as we're on the road. So when we reach our first stop or near to our first stop, we're gonna show you, and we're just gonna take you along with us for the day.
Happy 4th of July. We're doing this on the 4th of July.
Oh, yeah.
But I know when you see this vlog, it will be belated. But I hope that you will cook happily, eat happily, and I'll catch you.
Okay guys, so now we are on Waterloo Road and we're going up to Krispy Kreme, which is out here now in Jamaica. It's been out here for about a month or so now, but I haven't been able to go there because I just wanted all of the crowd and the hype of it to kind of die off a bit. So we're going to go up there and we're going to, you know, get a few donuts to try, and then we're going to carry them back home, and then when we go back home, we're going to try it. We're going to try it, mommy.
I'm not trying to do that.
Yeah, I think you're going to try it with me. Yeah, so me and mom are going to try them. Me and mom are going to try them.
Nissan have some nice vehicle nowadays, you know.
I was in there, oh, no, but not really in there. No, those are, no, you can sit down outside out there. Alright, so we're going to turn in now, guys. I think you can park over there, so there. Right over there, so you see the other cars there.
Watch this.
You can park over here.
So
Yeah.
why we have to park so far?
I'm going to walk over. It's okay. I can
So
go.
go by where you buy your lady.
Alright. So I'm going to go inside. I'm going to walk inside now, guys. As I'm going to walk inside, I'll show you. Mom can't wait, and we're going to try the original one now. Me and her are going to try this one.
My lips are sealed to oil. My things are some night. No.
It don't look bad. Alright, try it.
So,
Try it.
I'm not going to them here.
Mommy, try the
No,
donuts.
sir. I see them donut here, Mike.
No. Oh, it is.
Alright. Hi, guys. Hey, guys. I come from Java all the way from country to come look for you. A long time I don't see her now. So I'm making this a bad man. She did work. I'm going to come and work. I don't kind of lunch here. I just can't come look for you. I'm long to see her. I'm going to be a country now and I can't see her. Stop making it look so much. Yeah.
How much is that one?
These are quite them recently come. No look some. Okay, but we have some lettuce there with Jordan to pick up some third one. Them never finish.
No.
So make it stay. $800 plus taxes, 1,000 a day. No.
That don't make no sense.
Right
Okra?
here.
You want okra?
No, darling, we don't have some fish. We don't want to buy anything like. We couldn't stop a fish bone when we are go.
Fish broth that's bad, mommy. I'm tired
Could
now.
I choose that?
Yeah.
Sweet corn. Product of where? They don't look like them. How much money? Not bad, but can look at pieces you get. But what does it say?
I
Sweet
don't
corn.
cook
Where
soup.
it
I
come
don't
from?
cook soup. You know the things them for soup?
I don't have nothing for this. But this not look bad for the amount of corn we're in there. Also, why this in there? This is not professional.
So all of them say there's a little chunk in there or something. You want it? Can do sweet corn when you go home. Put it in a pressure cooker.
I like corns.
Yeah, put it in. I choose a nice one for $800.
Hello.
You want that one? The basket is right here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Is
I'm
that how
so
this one? You want beetroot? That not look bad.
It kind of little dry up, but we
Can put it in some water. No. That ain't
I'm just
happening.
looking at it, but I'm not.
That's a waste of money. You want spinach for smoothies? Do these spinaches look okay, mommy? Look alright? No?
Why is this so dry?
Come, we're gonna pick up spinach to make smoothies because we have to drink smoothies after.
193.
It's alright, because you have kale over there and I can put kale in my smoothies. So. No, I know. Pumpkin, they look old and
Yeah,
dry.
them the pumpkin them tired.
Those are nice cabbages, even though we don't need any cabbages.
These nice? You call them nice? Yeah, the cabbage I eat in the last one.
And you don't need any of these. Need ginger?
Yeah, I know.
Alright, you have to take the thing.
Nice time.
Let's take up another
Yeah,
regular
let
gold.
me leave the cornmeal.
Oh, you want cornmeal again?
Yeah, I didn't have it.
Drop it
But
in
I
the
didn't
basket.
want this one.
They don't have
Let
any
me
other
see
one.
this. Don't say that.
Oh, that's golden cornmeal. You want that?
Delect.
Mhm.
Let's try this. Whoops.
What
The
did
thing
you
is
drop?
gonna be so heavy. Give me what me can carry.
Me carry it. Me carry it.
No, let me
oh,
carry
show me
it. I
something.
want the flour. Come back. Come back. And we need sugar, of course. So Kendall. How much is the tree candy? Is it price?
No, oh, cut to. Actually, no, mommy, we'll take a picture.
I told you, go get a push shot.
Hold that.
Yes, I never said the price.
No, it's
You never take up nothing more because
No.
right now we're in a such a
No, I'm paying for it. It says 100 and something, but I don't know if it's for this specific liter.
I don't know, you should find out from
Because it
them.
seems the prices
Is
inside
it,
there are not.
the regular like a long time when I was get here too?
Yeah.
I don't know, because right now everything is supposed to go 200,000.
Alright.
So can the supermarket it does you take up the cream crackers?
Yeah, me take it up already.
How much?
One.
One? Take up
Well,
one.
tough crackers
No, they
are
have the bigger ones. Take up the bigger cream crackers, not the small. They don't have it? Yeah, take up one of that, yeah. Oh, they look like, take up a different one. Look like somebody take out some. We have tough crackers. Hey, what I always eat. They, you know, take up your little biscuit them. Yeah, when time they buy them, I always. Nobody take up the strawberry taste bad. No. I'm say so. Guys, I've been really go to them supermarket. The first time in the supermarket. when they're under different management, it was, but everything changed now. But I run coffee here in the live at town, long time. And get one little money here on coffee, I can't get them. But I pick up nothing more though. If them have the ginger ale, you know the ginger ale stuff?
Okay guys, we're back home and mom and dad are resting. So we spent a good while out on the road, and I'm going to try. We tried two when we were on the road. We tried one, and we gave something the one. So I'm going to try another one, or like another two, just for you guys. Mom don't really want any more because she don't want any more sweets for the day, so I'm gonna try another two. Most of them are filled, but I don't want them too sweet. I'm gonna think. I think I don't have the receipt on me. I don't remember where I put it. I think this is the apple cinnamon filled one. I'm gonna try it. Open it to see. Yeah, this is the apple cinnamon filled one. This is the filling. This one is good. This one is good, mommy. It's not too sweet. And the apple and the cinnamon and the fill inside. This one is actually really good. And I'm gonna try. I'm not a strawberry person. I'm just gonna try. I think this is the. Hold on. I'm gonna try the other one. I think this is the chocolate with raspberry filling. Chocolate top with like raspberry filling, I think. It's okay. This one is nice. It's just a bit, the raspberry filling in the middle is just a bit sweet. But on a whole, it's okay. It's good. The raspberry filling is just a bit sweet in the middle. So that's it, guys. We're gonna finish these up. I'm gonna share them with everybody else later. So thanks for watching the vlog, and I hope you guys, even though that we're filming it on 4th of July, you may not see it on the actual day, but I hope you guys enjoyed the day, and we'll see you guys back in another vlog. Bye.